I wanted to get your take on retirement. Like, why do you think it would or would not be a good fit for you?
What would I do with myself if I retired? I'll tell you, real estate has been my life.
So tell me what Arkhouse does. Give me the short few sentence pitch.
We are an opportunistic real estate investor focused on the dislocation between private and public markets for real estate.
What that really means is that we are looking for interesting investment opportunities in the public markets that are really illustrated by where private buyers will buy those assets.
So you mentioned the platform went live earlier this year, and I know there was an approval process with the SEC. Can you talk about what that looked like?
It's a very tedious process. So the Regulation A+ process is very different than anything that you would see on a regular crowdfunding platform. Unfortunately, the public, when they see the word crowdfunding, they kind of pool everybody together in crowdfunding. So when they see these different companies out there like Crowdsheet or whatever it is, they think that there is a similarity. The similarity is that there is an online presence for this investment, and that's how people would find the investment and be able to participate.
Only now, we're getting more and more of those like mixed use developments because I think people, want to work, shop.
Live, work, play was kind of the cliche that we almost try to avoid now. But it's true. It's like people are talking about the 15-minute city, right? Which we coin. We're like, we're the 5-minute city because everything is within, walking distance of 400 feet or whatever, right? You can literally live your life at a place like Hudson Yards. But it's really making life easy for people, right? I mean, that's what you're trying to do. And you're trying to enhance people's lives, right?